Alright. So guys, tatiza kuchana mvumo kwacho kwa kuchita kwa kuya. Hakuna tataona chatiko. Now we are going more. But come back, what tatazo zwo ndo tukaya zwo. Tsanzi mumo tazwo ndo the same more. Yacho tukaya. Saka papata chimboita ma negotiations kuti atimiri iso endi zvaka Mr. Phil. Umana ngamba nokuchinja. One hand every one hand. Mama doesn't know to do it. Father God Almighty, I pray to you in this afternoon so that you can open the voice of speaking English. Father, as I'm going to narrate everything that was happening to me and my brothers here in Lilongwe, Malawi, I want everyone to understand the linguistic I am actually protruding to everyone. I am delivering every word in the realm of the spirit with no dilution, with no additionals. Right now, as you are seeing in that video, this is me with the gene I was attracted to. And guess what? Washington was, no. You, sister, you can't take that gene trouser. Why? Because it's not nice. I said, no, but the eyes of the spirit is saying that trouser is nice. How can you say something that is attracted to myself is not nice? And Mukudze was in support of my choice as well. Washington was adamant. He refused. He said, no. You cannot wear that thing. I said, but I don't see anything wrong with that trouser. As for me, as something stretches, I dadamura and dadamo outdoors to see if it's stretching. As long as it's stretching, if it's size 34, it's stretching, I will fit in that trousers. I will not breathe while at least I'm wearing that thing because I have to fit in whether you like it or not. It's like my cocoon that I'm trying to create. Now, I walked. My goodness. But what I say is guys. Forgive me. Let's go back to the English tutorials of someone who went abroad in Malawi. So I saw a nice t-shirt and Washington was against the t-shirt again. I was now attracted to the stockings, the socks. Washington was like, why do you need all those things? I said, I need them. I want to wear them. I need something new. Like my body is telling me that I have to change everything. I need a new pair of socks. I need a trouser or legging. I need a new jacket, a new top. Even my hair, I had to change it because how can I stay like that abroad? Everyone was against my idea. Everyone was against my theology. They said, no, you want to waste money. I said, no. It's not about wasting money, but I have to look good. People have to feel me. People have to know that I went abroad and I'm coming back a different person. Now I'm going back with the same hairstyle. I'm going back the same person. I'm going back the same person with those clothes. Look at the clothes. They are not nice. They are dirty. I am telling you I want to buy a t-shirt. But it's difficult. I cannot buy it because if Washington laughs at you guys, you never wear that thing. He will laugh at you till you feel like you want to cry. He will laugh at you and mock at you till you feel like I have to throw away my pair of shoes, my trousers, or my head, whatever you would have. But okay, no, not but whatever you would have buy, yes. Right there you are seeing, I love pulling socks. I'm sure most of the people, if you have been following me for a very long time, I love those pulling socks with a dark color. I need to wear them with those small skirts. Sometimes the spirit of wearing small short skirts, it touches me with full force. However, I get controlled by some of my brothers. Say, no, you are not supposed to wear like that. This is not proper. But as for me, that's in my head. That what I would want to wear. Then they say, no, it cannot fit you. No, with your body, it cannot tally. It cannot go hand in glove with your body. I will say, no. This thing is saladic. This thing is saladicious. Let me try it. Because I wanted to wear a pulling socks with a small skirt. Where you are seeing me there now is a section of Mavis clothes. I was like, no. I want to buy some clothes for Mavis. You know, sometimes even if I'm in Zimbabwe, whenever I go for shopping, I look for small clothes that fit Mavis. Mavis is my brother's daughter. Which brother to all those people in my class who want to know, to motion the guy who comes after me, he is the one who has got a daughter named Mavis. She's my favorite. You can't run away from blood. So whenever I go for shopping, I always try to look for something to buy for Mavis. So that's what I was doing when you saw me touching those kids' clothes. We went in that shop. There was a drama, guys. Washington found a nice cape he wanted to buy. Then instantly he said he wanted that cape. I said, no, my brother, you can't buy it. Let's hear what you are saying. Vanhu vamwari newo Washington dambuzotaita dambudziko kuno. We went to this other shop. I'm telling you in English because I want these people in this shop to hear my plea, to hear my pain, the pain between me and my brother. You see, this guy Washington, what he was doing. We went to this other shop. We came to the mall. Imagine. When we left the house, I'm the one who said, I like shopping. Yesterday, I couldn't shop. So today, look at me. I'm still wearing this dirty clothes. So let me go back to the mall. Someone said, you can go to the China shop because it's cheaper. I said, okay, fine, let's go. I didn't see anything. I said, no, I cannot buy something from here. I want to go to the mall. Someone came with us here. Now, when I went to Pep, I saw a nice jean and a nice t-shirt. This one said it's ugly. The text is nice. That's what he said. Now, wait. If I see something here, I'll buy. But now, I don't want to buy because when he wanted to buy, he didn't want us to buy. We are here. He just saw this nyau cape. When he saw the nyau cape, I said, do you know what nyau means? Nyau is a culture. It's not a culture. Nyau, you know those people who's gure something. Shigure. You know shigure? Yes. This what you said. Those words. No. I said, do you know what it means? He doesn't know what it means. Then these people, they are also failing to understand what it means. He said, I want to buy. Sister, buy that cape for me. We'll make a deal. I'm not going to buy it till I find something. I should be happy first before he's happy. Where?
Do we have another clothing shop there?
Yes.
This side?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come back with the nyao for my nyao.
You will not buy it. Did you leave it? Okay. Mukudze is minding his own business. He doesn't even. Mukudze akatenga jean. T-shirt. Handei tinotarisa kumwe. Ini ndikatoda hangu apa zvimahetsi ndo zvandoda izvi. Ndikanyasoti zvima t-shirts. What about this one? How much is this one? 195. Yeah. That's the lowest price. Okay, how much is the cheapest? This one is nice. Ooh, how much is this one?
Same price, 195.
So we can't negotiate from 195.
The boss is there.
Huh?
The boss is there.
How much is that? But this one is nice. I'm supposed to be happy before I help my brother. I like this one. This one is nice. Guys, look at this shoe. I wish someone had told me that I have to carry a lot of money to my love. They have nice stuff. Brown is not my color. Tony is so little. Oh, God, what it? Black church kanakasi. Achira shikere. Ipi? Ye brownie yakashata ingosati yasviba. Aiwa yakashata. Nawe wallet yakanaka pakati pedzitundini.
Same price for the men's wallet.
Hata ngitanotasema uyu achotokodzoka kusvika kukepi. Kaivhini chisweto chakanaka. mabhande hanzi ichi chakaita sei ichichi ko ichi chiyekera chii ichochi ko ichi chiri apa papa yekera chii $120,000
kweyangenzi mariri
hai ndinoda rangu rakachipero ringi nomuzvinge zvidhuru ndinoda kupepu first kotsvaka imomo padhuze mari yangu inozotodza kukwana kana tanga ndatenga zvimwe zvinhu kozi nyange tikadzoka tokodzoka nepapapa zvakangofanana saka gateway iyoyo ndo iri kutoshamisira sire kumashopu esezvo
asi ngada yakaita zvakati mumwandoza mashopu ehembe mutaundi zvazvo chaizwana
oziya ngatenge taenda unotispenda umu tozoya munomu tobuda nekuzasuku handiuya akamira kuzasuku ii dito yangu iyi ndivunze kuzonzi unotengereke hallo how much is the dito foam bath foam yeah shower gel
shower gel is how much? 28. Dettol shower gel.
Huh?
20,000.
What about the lotion? The Q10?
6,900.
Let me see. 46. $7.
You go to 49,000.
46,900.
You got 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 45.
45, 50. 50. Never lose zero. 3,000. It'll be 1,000. This is $100.
I'm going to show you about this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
My chilidi. Don't go to Maria Condos. 45.
3,000.
2,000. Hai munombowanda mari vanhu vamwe muchaona ichipera izvozvi 2 seconds. Yes. Ndakagarika.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Imagine.